Hey, to check if you are using 120 Hz on your PS5 Slim, first of all you have to go into the settings in the right upper corner. Now go into the screen and the video, and now go to the current video output signal. And as you can see, in my case, I've got my current resolution and the 120 Hz. Also, this indicator that you can see on the left upper corner, that's actually my external stuff from my monitor, so it doesn't come from the PlayStation. And if it doesn't have the 120 Hz for some reason, let me show you how to enable it. So when you're here in this screen and video output, scroll down and be sure that you turn on this option, the 120 Hz output from here. And then also be sure that when you go to the save data and the game up settings, you also go into the game presets and enable the performance mode. Now take a look. When I go back into my game, it was Fortnite. Yeah, that was the Fortnite, I guess. There we go. So when I back to this game, I have to also be sure that in the settings, in the Fortnite, I have enabled this option. So that's the 120 frames per second mode. As you can see, it's turned on in my case. And that's how it works. But when I close this game, so simply I'm gonna do this like this. Close the game. No, that was the misclick, sorry guys. Close game. I will be back with the 60 Hz per second. 60, I mean. And now when I go back to this screen and the video, current video output signal, it will be switched to the 60. So that's basically it. That's how you can check it. And the 60 Hz, it's also what you get when you are scrolling into the menu. That's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.